Okay, good morning everyone. We will have a bid opening for 4 projects. But before that, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Engineer Henry John Benson, back member, Engineer Joyce Amujo, Procurement Head, Engineer Agnes Padua, back member, Engineer Maria Cristina Ligit, back member, and Engineer Mr. Ryan Aspardo, back PWG, and yours truly, Engineer Reggie Sabaron, back Vice Chairperson. So we have 4 projects. The first one is 26FB0001 with the contract name Organizational Outcome 1, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System, Asset Preservation Program, Preventive Maintenance, Tertiary Roads, Comun-Inarado-Peñafrancia Road, kilometer 528 plus 818 to kilometer 529 plus 000. The contract location is in Daraga, Albay, with an ABC of 2,141,113 pesos and 22 centavos. The contract duration is 28 calendar days. The interest of fund is 28, 2026. There's no meter receipt, so it is a failure of bidding. So we will now proceed with the next project, 26FB0002, with the contract name Organizational Outcome 1, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System, Asset Preservation Program, Preventive Maintenance, Tertiary Roads, Comun-Inarado-Peñafrancia Road in kilometer 517 plus 350 to kilometer 518 plus 484. The contract location is in Daraga, Albay, and the APC is 30,318,240 pesos and 92 centavos. The contract duration is 118 calendar days. So there are only one bidder. We will now open the technical documents.
Okay, so we have a loan bidder for 26F300. Material Construction and Supply. So since it is more than 30 million, we will require the ISO certificate. Bid figure and declaration, signed and notarized. Organizational chart, signed. List of contractors, key personnel to be assigned to the contract with their qualification, signed. Key personnel obligated to commitment to work in the contract, signed. Attach also certification for the contractor's certification for the project engineer. List of contractors, major construction and laboratory equipment units to be assigned to the contract supporting the certification of the building. List of contractors, minimum materials, test and equipment and to be assigned to the contract supporting the certification of availability. We have the delivery receipt for tandem cellular. What? Okay, what do you need? We have telescope 2 sets, asphalt distributor, asphalt distributor, 10.5 items, 1 minute, asphalt paper, that also is demonstration from the transportation office. The observed saying, there goes a certification from Sorsogon First District in Lahon as a dual category A contractor complied with the minimum requirements for the laboratory space, equipment, and personnel for provision of Department Order Number 11-47. That was also with the sales device for the laboratory equipment from Station Marketing Corporation. Also, JRD Construction Corporation for the receipt. List of contract agreement for one set laboratory equipment. Certification of availability of equipment. The certification of availability of the minimum material testing equipment. Signed and authorized. Omnibus term statement, signed and authorized. Affidavit of disclosure of no relation. Certification of compliance under DEO 9/2012. Certificate registration of Chile Construction and Supply for ISO 9001:2015. Construction of roads, building under federal civil engineering codes. Integrity pledge. And attached also is the NFCC, net financial contracting capacity amounting to 1,878,071 pesos and 76 cents.
Since Chirel Construction and Supply Capacity technical documents, of the financial documents.
Ano yung sa amin? Sige na rin.
So Chirel also passed the CWA.
Since Cheryl passed the technical qualification in the CWA processing and offering the financial proposal. Okay. Bid form, signed. Bid of quantities, signed. Summary of bid prices, signed. Legal estimate, signed. Summary of bid prices. Unit prices and cash flow by quarter remaining stages.
So children will still undergo actual
A fee for the bid amount. Bid amount is 29,863,000 614 pesos and 95 centavos. 29,863,614.9.
Why this is it? Tertiary will still undergo a past qualification process. Next, we are now on the next.
All pages.
Next, we will open the next project with contract ID 26FD0003 with the contract name Convergence and Special Support Program, construction, improvement of access roads leading to trades, industries, and economic zones, roads leveraging linkages for industry and trade infrastructure project, ROIT. Barangay Cullat-Bongalon-Balinad, road connecting to various small-scale enterprises, Barangays Cullat and Bongalon, Barangay Cullat, Bongalon, and Balinad. With the station at station 0+000 to station 0+156. The contract location is in Daraga, Albay. With an ABC of 4,695,751 pesos and 76 centavos. The contract duration is 120 calendar days. We also have one bidder. QJ Construction passed the CWA processing.
Okay, so we have a loan here for 26,003 UJ construction. Bid securing declaration. Signed at lines. Organization chart signed. Release of key personnel with their qualification data. Key person affidavit of commitment for a public contract. Release of contractor's agreement pledged to the contract. Release of contractor's agreement pledged to the contract and the university. Attached also is the sales invoice. And the lease of agreement notarized for backhoe equipment, reefer, dump truck, plus mixer, water truck. And the deed of sale for truck. Acknowledgement receipt for the bunch of equipment. Delivered receipt for backhoe. Deed of absolute sale for Isuzu dump truck. Utilization of FPO. Deed of sale for Isuzu. Registration from FPO. Deed of absolute sale for Ogo A7 mixer truck. With authorization from LTO and CR. Copy registration. Statement of availability of major construction equipment. Certification of availability of the minimum material testing equipment. Omnibus Statement, signed and authorized. Affidavit of circumscription, NFCC, amounting to 169,287,858 pesos. And beneficial ownership. Ano ba naman? Omnibus Statement. Omnibus.
So clearly construction plus the technical documents, you know, often financial documents.
On the financial, we have bid form, bill of quantities, bill of estimate, summary of lead prices, summary sheet, cash flow with quarter payment schedule signed. Bid amount is 4,673,666 pesos and 9 centavos. 4,673,666.09.
So future construction, you will undergo cost investigation process. Next is we will now open the next contract is 26 FB 0004. But no one
No bid.
no bid received. Still I'm going to yeah. 26 FB 0004 is a failure of bidding. So we were going to propose the 26 FB 0001 and 26 FB 0004. So that concludes our opening of bids. Thank you very much.